What if everything you believed about growing your business was wrong? What if the next sale is sitting in your sphere of influence and you're ignoring it? Most businesses think they have a lead problem, but in reality, they likely have an offer and permission-based follow-up problem. We'll break down exactly how to uncover the financially qualified prospects hiding in plain sight, people you already know, who would say yes to the right offer. Take Laura, for example. 0 closings in 3 months. She felt stuck, ready to give up. Then she joined our 10 to 30-day challenge. In just 21 days, she uncovered 6 financially qualified clients, all from her own sphere of influence. Now she's consistently closing because she improved her offer and learned permission-based follow-up. Now, imagine this through the lens of your business. Let's say you're in real estate. What if you could identify 6 people in your sphere of influence who are renting, married, have stable income, and could afford a $3,000 monthly mortgage payment? They're not actively house hunting, but with the right offer, they'd say yes. This isn't about learning a software like Go High Level, it's about using it to sell, and that's what we teach in our 10 to 30-day trial. You'll learn how to build a calling list from people you already know, how to identify financially qualified prospects, how to send weekly offers that lead to real conversations and conversions. The truth is, more leads aren't always the answer. You likely need a stronger offer and permission-based follow-up system. Here's how we help. Identify who in your network is financially ready. Use permission-based follow-up, text, email, direct messages, DMs. Deliver weekly offers that spark real interest and action. In just 10 to 30 days, you can uncover multiple qualified prospects already in your sphere of influence. Your job? Present offers they're excited to say yes to, and will guide you every step of the way.
It's very easy to add a contact record in your software. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click Contacts. Then click on the plus icon to add a new contact record. Enter in the first and last name, email, and phone number. Select a time zone. If the contact has not opted in to permission-based follow-up, click D&D All Channels. This will make it so that the contact is not able to be added to a workflow and receive automated text and emails from your software. Then click Save. Now, the contact record will automatically appear. You'll see on the left-hand side the contact's name, phone number, and email. In the middle section is where you can send an SMS text to the contact. This is not possible until SMS text has been enabled in your software. To record a note about this contact record, scroll to the upper right side, click the pencil, then click Add Note, enter the note, and hit Save. All the notes about this contact record will be saved in this section. The last step is to add this contact record to a calling pipeline. To do that, go under the contact records information, scroll to the bottom to Opportunities. Click Add. Now, add the contact record to the daily calling pipeline. In the Opportunity stage Contacts, click Create, then hit Cancel, and the card will disappear. On the left-hand side, click Opportunities. In the daily calling list, you'll see that you've added the contact record you just added into this opportunity stage within the daily calling pipeline. This is the list of contacts that you have added into your software.
If you're ready to start getting clients fast, join our 10 to 30-day free coaching and software trial. No upfront cost, no pressure, just proven steps to help you take action and win clients now. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client getting system. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, even share the video.